Hi, future teacher, and welcome to our RICA Test Subtest 1 mini practice test. Check your readiness for test day before watching this video by taking the free practice test using the link in the description below. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. Which of the following studies how languages are organized using sounds? A. Morphology. B. Phonology. C. Syntax. D. Rhythm. I'll be giving you a few seconds to answer, or you can pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is letter B, phonology. Number 2. A first grade teacher is asking their students to break up the word through sounds. Example, bat becomes B-A-T. What is this an example of? A. Sound isolation. B. Sound segmentation. C. Sound blending. D. Sound tuning. The correct answer is letter B, sound segmentation. Number 3. At what age, as described by the language development theory, do children understand jokes and riddles? A. 2 to 3 years of age. B. 3 to 5 years of age. C. 5 to 10 years of age. D. 10 to 18 years of age. The correct answer is letter C, 5 to 10 years of age. Number 4. Understanding the implications of a character or the lesson of the story is known as A. Literal comprehension. B. Evaluative comprehension. C. Decoding. D. Inferential comprehension. The correct answer is letter B. Evaluative comprehension.
Oh hey future teacher, if you are finding this free mini practice test helpful, click the link in the description below to get instant access to the full-length version.
You might want to check that out. But first we go to question 5. If a student demonstrates the ability to read aloud 90 to 94% of the words correctly and answer 60% of comprehension questions correctly, this student is at which reading grade level? A. Independent reading level. B. Frustration reading level. C. Advanced reading level. D. Instructional reading level. The correct answer is letter D, instructional reading level. Number 6. For struggling readers, how should a teacher differentiate their instruction regarding concepts about print? A. Use knowledge from students L1 to transfer skills to English instruction. B. Increase the pace of instruction. C. Use tactile and kinesthetic methods. D. Build on and extend current knowledge and skills. The correct answer is letter C. Use tactile and kinesthetic methods. Number 7. When a student is beginning to attempt to connect letters to sounds, they are at which stage of spelling? A. Precommunicative. B. Semi-phonetic. C. Phonetic. D. Conventional. The correct answer is letter B, semi-phonetic. Next one. Which method should a teacher use if they are trying to support students' comprehension for reading literature? A. Identify and evaluate literary devices. B. Interpreting research findings. C. Storytelling. D. Assessing tone and volume. The correct answer is letter A. Identify and evaluate literary devices. Question 9. A second grade student is struggling to demonstrate the ability to pronounce regular VC and CVC word patterns. To most effectively help this student, the teacher should A. Use the question classification/answer verification instructional strategy to determine if the students are able to explain the meanings of the VC and CVC words. B. Focus on structural analysis skills by asking the student to silently read a passage with VC and CVC target words, and then write the target words in a list. C. Start by facilitating a lesson that teaches the student how to properly separate sounds with VC and CVC words by showing the letters that represent the sounds in the words and asking the child to make these sounds. D. Create a table of phonograms to help guide instruction where the teacher says the words and the student points. The correct answer is letter C. Start by facilitating a lesson that teaches the student how to properly separate sounds with VC and CVC words by showing the letters that represent the sounds in the words and asking the child to make these sounds. And for our final question, a teacher gives student a word and asks the student to separate the beginning, middle, or ending sound. For example, the teacher says, "What is the beginning sound of lamp?" The instructional strategy that the teacher is using is called A. Sound isolation, B. Sound deletion, C. Sound segmentation, D. Sound substitution. The correct answer is letter A. Sound isolation. That's a wrap for our 10-point practice test. How many points did you get? Want the full version of our online, timed RICA test, Subtest 1 practice test? Click the link in the description below or visit us at teacherpreps.com.